Wow, your new haircut? It's giving main character energy. Wait, it's giving what? What does that even mean? Welcome to Native Lingo. Today, we're diving into a phrase you're hearing everywhere. It's giving. Simply put, it's giving means something evokes the feeling or vibe of. It suggests a certain aesthetic or impression. It's not about literally giving an object. Think of it as a super versatile way to describe a mood, a look, or an overall impression. So, where did this phrase come from? Its roots are deep in Black queer ballroom culture of the 1980s and 1990s. In ballroom, to serve, meant to present a look or attitude with confidence and flair. People would say, "You're serving looks." Over time, this evolved. Instead of you serving, an object or situation could give a particular vibe, becoming, "It's giving." Then TikTok and Gen Z took it global, cementing its place in modern American English. Ready to use it like a native? Let's check out some real-world examples. Imagine your friend wearing a stunning outfit. You might say, "Your new dress, it's giving red carpet glam." Or maybe you're at a cafe. "This lavender latte, it's giving cozy autumn morning vibes." It can even describe a mood. "This meeting is really dragging. It's giving awkward silence." And for music, "This new song, it's definitely giving summer anthem." Now, for the pro tips, to avoid common mistakes. First, always say "it's giving," not "it's giving of." Second, it's generally informal, so save it for friends, social media, or casual chats. And remember, it's about the impression or vibe, not a literal action. It's a modern, dynamic way to express feeling. So, "it's giving" is your go-to phrase for describing a strong vibe or impression without needing a literal action. Master this, and you'll sound incredibly natural in American English. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more native lingo. Next time, we're breaking down another expression that sounds wild, but means something completely different. You won't want to miss it.